Imagine waking up tomorrow with legs that feel light, strong, and steady. No stabbing nighttime cramps, no shaky steps, and no fear of falling. For many seniors, this isn't a dream but an achievable reality. Today, I'll share 7 powerful nutrients backed by solid research that transform weak, achy legs into reliable pillars of strength and stability. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fuel your legs for lifelong mobility and independence. Vitamin D, the sunshine muscle booster. As we age, our capacity to produce vitamin D from sunlight drops by nearly 75%. Combined with less outdoor time, this deficiency stealthily erodes muscle strength and balance. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that seniors with serum vitamin D levels above 30 ng/ml had 20% faster reaction times and 30% fewer falls annually. How it works? Enhances fast-twitch muscle fibers for quick, stabilizing responses. Reduces muscle inflammation, easing cramps and soreness. Real-world example. According to ABC News, Mr. John Harris, 68, from Tallahassee, Florida, raised his vitamin D from 18 to 35 ng/ml over 3 months. He reports 80% fewer leg cramps and regained confidence walking his dog every morning. Practical tips. Sun exposure, 15-20 minutes, arms and legs, early morning or late afternoon. No sunscreen on exposed skin. Foods: salmon, mackerel, fortified milk, egg yolks, shiitake mushrooms. Supplements: 800, 1,000 IU daily, up to 2,000 IU under doctor supervision. Calcium, more than just bone builder. While calcium's reputation centers on bones, it's equally vital for muscle contraction. Every step you take relies on calcium ions triggering muscle fibers. Deficiency leads to painful cramps and fragile bones, turning a simple stumble into a serious fracture. Insights. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that older adults consuming 1,200 milligrams of calcium daily had 25% fewer hip fractures over 5 years. Food sources: dairy, milk, yogurt, leafy greens, kale, bok choy, almonds, sardines, with bones, fortified plant milks. Balance is key. Excess calcium supplements without vitamin D can deposit in arteries. Aim for a total of 1,000–1,200 mg daily from food and supplements. Movement matters. Weight-bearing exercise, walking, resistance bands, directs calcium into bones, reinforcing skeletal strength. Vitamin B12, the nerve conductor. Leg strength hinges on clear nerve signals. Vitamin B12 ensures electrical impulses from your spinal cord to leg muscles remain precise. Why seniors are at risk. Aging reduces stomach acid, an intrinsic factor needed for B12 absorption. Long-term antacid use or gastritis compounds the issue. Consequences of deficiency: heavy, tired legs, numbness, tingling, unsteady gait. A 2018 study in neurology showed that treating B12 deficiency cut fall rates by 40% among older adults with neuropathy. Sources and solutions: lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, clams, along with fortified cereals and plant milks. High-dose oral supplements or periodic injections for absorption challenges. Magnesium, the muscle regulator. Often overlooked, Magnesium is the master switch for muscle relaxation and contraction. Signs of low magnesium: restless leg syndrome, nighttime cramps, chronic fatigue. Role in bone health: regulates calcium transport. Too little magnesium means calcium may deposit in soft tissues, stiffening joints. Studies: a 2019 Journal of Aging research analysis linked higher magnesium intake to a 15% reduction in fracture risk among seniors. Boost your levels. Diet: pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, black beans, avocados. Supplements: magnesium citrate or glycinate, better absorption. Potassium, the balance keeper. Potassium controls fluid balance in muscle cells and thus prevents painful cramps and shakiness. Impact: low levels cause involuntary contractions and tremors, raising fall risk. Potassium also neutralizes acid that can leach calcium from bones. Food sources: bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach, beans, oranges. Vary your choices for consistent intake. Guidelines: 2,600 mg/day for women, 3,400 mg/day for men. Monitor if you have kidney issues or take certain medications. Vitamin K, the calcium traffic controller. Vitamin K ensures calcium goes into your bones, not your arteries. Bone and joint benefits: activates osteocalcin to lock calcium into bone matrix. Reduces joint inflammation, slowing osteoarthritis progression. Sources: K1, green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts. K2, fermented foods, natto, aged cheeses, and animal products, egg yolks, liver. Caution: if you're on blood thinners, e.g. warfarin, consult your physician before boosting vitamin K. Vitamin B6, the protein and nerve ally. Vitamin B6 supports nerve signaling, muscle repair, and red blood cell production, all essential for leg endurance and coordination. Deficiency signs: numbness, tingling, unsteady steps, early fatigue. Inflammation-related muscle soreness and slower recovery. Sources: poultry, salmon, tuna, bananas, potatoes, chickpeas, fortified cereals. Recommendation: 1.5 mg/day for women, 1.7 mg/day for men. Avoid megadoses that risk nerve toxicity. Let's pause for a quick story. According to Mayo Clinic, Ms. Ellen Fisher, 72, from Ohio, struggled with nightly leg cramps for years. After testing, she found low magnesium and B levels. Within 4 weeks of dietary changes, more leafy greens, salmon, and a low-dose B supplement, her cramps disappeared, and she resumed her evening walks with her granddaughter. Her experience shows that targeted nutrition can deliver fast, life-changing results. Strong, steady legs aren't a luxury, they are your ticket to independence and joy. Here's what you can do today. Get tested. Ask your doctor for vitamin D, B, and magnesium blood panels. Revamp your plate. Add a rainbow of nutrient-rich foods: fish, greens, nuts, legumes, and fermented treats. Sun and movement. Spend safe, sun-soaked minutes outdoors and embrace weight-bearing exercises like walking or resistance bands. Personalized supplementation. Work with a healthcare professional to fill any gaps safely. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss actionable tips for aging well. Drop a comment sharing your nutrient wins or questions below. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and here's to legs that carry you confidently into every new day. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.